Find the square root of 64x power 4 minus 16x cube plus 17x square minus 2x plus 1. To find the square root of this polynomial, write the polynomial here 64x power 4 minus 16x cube plus 17x square minus 2x plus 1. First of all, we should check the powers are in descending order or ascending order. So now the powers are in descending order 4, 3, 2, here 1, then 0. So you should arrange in descending or ascending order first. Then if any of the term, any of the power missing, you should place 0 in that place. After that you should enter into the long division mark. This is 16x power 4 minus 64x power 4 minus 16x cube plus 17x square minus 2x plus 1. First of all, find the square root of this number. Root of 64x power 4 equal to root of 64 is 8. Root of x power 4 is x power 2. Half of the power is taken. So 8x square. So write 8x square here and here. 8x square. Now multiplying these two, 8x square into 8x square, 64x power 4. Now changing its sign, it get cancelled. So remaining the two terms are minus 16x power 3 plus 17x square. Now multiply the 8x square by 2. Multiply this 8x square by 2 and write here that is 16x square. Multiply it by 2. Multiply it by 2 and write it 16x square. Then divide the first term by the 16x square. Minus 16x cube divided by 16x square. Dividing, we have minus x. So add this minus x here and here. The next two terms are taken. Then multiply 8x square by 2, that is 16x square. Divide the first term by this first term 16x square minus 16x cube divided by 16x square, that will be equal to minus x. Now adding this minus x here and here. Then multiply by this minus x to these two terms. Minus x into minus 16x square minus 16x cube, and minus x into minus x is equal to plus x square. Now changing its sign, plus minus, again these two get cancelled here, these two cancel here, these two get cancelled. Remaining 17 minus x square equal to 16x square. Now look at here, keep the 16x square as same and multiply minus x by 2. Multiply it by 2, you will get minus 2x. And then taking the remaining terms are minus 2x plus 1. Minus 2x plus 1. Now look at here. Divide the first term by first term. 16x square. Divide this term by this term. 16x square divided by 16x square equal to 1. So adding 1 here and there. Here and here. Add 1 in the quotient and here also. Now multiply this 16x square minus 2x plus 1 by this 1. We will get 1 into 16x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 16x square minus 2x plus 1. Now subtracting minus plus minus. All the terms are get cancelled, which is equal to 0. The remainder is 0. 8 square minus 8 plus 1 is the square root of this polynomial. So square root of the polynomial is root of, that is square root of 64x power 4 minus 16x cube plus 17x square minus 2x plus 1 be equal to modulus of 8x square minus x plus 1. That's all. equal to 0. So square root of 64x power 4 minus 16x cube plus 17x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to modulus of 8x square minus x plus 1. Find the square root of 4x square by y square plus 20x by y plus 13 minus 30y by x plus 9y square by x square. Four x square by y square plus 20x by y plus 13 minus 30y by x plus 9y square by x square. Look here, the power of x is decreasing and the power of y is increasing. It should be in the respective order. When the power decreases, when the power of x decreases, the power of y will be increases. Or the power of y decreases, the power of x will be increased in the order 2, 1, 0, then power of y is 1, power of y is 2. In this order you should write. This is the perfect order. Now, take the square root of the first term, 4x square by y square. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x square by y square is x by y. So write here 2x by y. And then here also 2x by y. The root of the first term, square root of first term is 2x by y. And then written here and here. Now multiply 2x by y into 2x by y, we will get 4x square by y square and subtract. It will get cancelled. The remaining two terms are 20x by y plus 13. 20x by y plus 13. Now multiply this by 2, will get 4x by y, and then divide the first term by this one, 20x by y divided by 4x by y. This x by y get cancelled. 20 by 4 equal to 5. Now adding the 5 in the quotient and here, adding 5. Now multiply this 5 into these two terms. 5 into 4x by y equal to 20x by y. Then 5 into 5, 25. Subtracting, these two get cancelled. Minus 25 plus 13 minus 12. And taken the remaining terms here. Minus 30y by x plus 9y square by x square. Now keep the first term as same, 4x by y. Multiply the second term by 2 plus 10, and then dividing first term by first term, minus 12 divided by 4x by y. Now these two get cancelled. 3, which is equal to minus 3 into y by x. Minus 3 y by x. Now simplify this. 4 3s are 12, so minus 3. Here we have x by y. It is in the numerator y by x. So minus 3 y by x. Adding here minus 3y by x, and here minus 3y by x. Now multiply by this minus 3 by x these three terms, and write here minus 3 by x into 4x by y minus 3 . Now multiply by minus 3 by x into these three terms, and writing here multiplying by minus 3 by x into 4x by y minus product of, multiply these two terms first, minus 3y by x into 4x by y, x cancel, y cancel. Here 4 into minus 3 equal to minus 12. and then multiplying this with the 10 minus 3y by x into 10 equal to minus 30y by x, and then multiplying last two terms minus 3y by x into minus 3y by x equal to 9y square by x square. Look at the terms here, minus 12 minus 30y by x plus 9y by y square by x square. When we multiply by minus 3y by x, these three terms will get the same terms here. So first one minus 12, for second one minus 30y by x, for the third one 9y square by x square. Now subtracting, changing its sign, totally equal to 0. Therefore, the square root of 4x square by y square plus 20x by y plus 13 minus 30y by x plus 9y square by x square is 2x by y plus 5 minus 3y by x. 2x by y plus 5 minus 3y by x. So, by writing the answer here, root of 4x square by y square plus 20x by y plus 13 minus 30y by x plus 9y square by x square equal to absolute value of 2x by y plus 5 minus 3y by x. Subtracting these three get cancelled is 0. Then the square root of the given polynomial equal to 2x by y modulus of 2x by y plus 5 minus 3y by x. If 9x power 4 plus 12x cube plus 28x square plus ax plus b is a power 4 square, find the values of a and b is given. The given polynomial, they have mentioned the given polynomial is a power 4 square. So we find the values of a and b here. So by using log division usual method, nine x power 4, they are in proper order 4, 3, 2, 1. First of all, we should check the powers are in ascending or descending order. Now the powers are in descending order, so we can write it here, 9x power 4 plus 12x cube plus 28x square plus ax plus b. First of all, find the square root of this number. Root of 9x power 4 equal to 3x square. So write 3x square here and here. 3x square into 3x square, 9x power 4. Then we can subtract, get cancelled. So remaining are the two terms 12x cube and plus 28x square. Here multiply it by 2, we will get 6x square, and they will dividing 12x cube by 6x square. 12x cube divided by 6x square. 6 12s are 2 and x square for x cube is x equal to 2x. Adding 2x here and here. Then multiplying by 2x these two terms and writing here 2x into 6x square 12x cube and 2x into 2x 4x square. Subtract. These two get cancelled. 28 minus 4 is 24x square now. And adding these two terms, remaining terms here, plus ax plus b. Now 6x square, multiplying the second term by 2, here we have 2x, multiply it by 2, 4x, 6x square written as it is, and multiplying the term by 2 into 2, the second term added is multiplied by 2, it will be equal to 4x. Now Dividing first term by first term, 24x square divided by 6x square, can cancel these two. 6 into 24, 4 equal to 4. So adding 4 here and here. Now multiply it by 4. Multiply it by 4, we'll get 4 into 6x square, 24x square, and 4 into 4, 16x, and 4 into 4, 16. It should be equal to 0 because the given polynomial is a perfect square. So if it follows a perfect square, A should follow 16 and B should follow 16. Then only when we subtract, the term get cancelled and becomes 0. So when we subtract, it becomes 0. Then only the given polynomial is a perfect square. So it should be a perfect square. It should be a perfect square. It should follow, A follows 16 and B follows 16. Therefore, since the given polynomial is a perfect square, since given polynomial is a perfect square, therefore A should follow 16 and B should follow 16. Therefore the values of A and B are 16, 16. First we should write in a proper order. Here power 4, then power 3 is absent, and power 2, power 1 is absent. So we should write the given polynomial in proper order. 16x power 4 plus 8x square plus 1 equal to 16x power 4 plus 0x cube plus 8x square plus 0x plus 1. Now writing 16x power 4 plus 0x cube plus 8x square plus 0x plus 1. Now finding the square root of the first term, root of 16x power 4 equal to 4x square. So 4x square written both the places. Now multiply it by here, 16x power 4 can subtract, the term get cancelled. The remaining two terms are 0x cube plus 8x square. Now multiply it by 2, we'll get 8x square. Then dividing this term by this term, 0x cube divided by 8x square. 0 by anything is 0. So place 0 here and plus 0 here also. So 0 into 0, all the term becomes 0. 0 plus 0x cube. Then writing here 0x we can write. 0x. So 0x cube plus 0x square. So both the term get cancelled. The remaining is we have subtracting 0 and plus 8x square. Then adding the remaining term 0x plus 1. Now multiply the second term by 2. Here is we have 0. 0 into 2, 0. So 8x square plus 0x. You need not write here. And then dividing the first term by first term. 8x square divided by 8x square, that is equal to 1. So adding 1 here and here, 8x square plus 0x plus 1. Now multiply it by 1. 1 into 8x square, 8x square. 1 into 0x plus 0x plus 1 into 1 is 1. So when subtract, all becomes 0. So totally equal to 0. Which implies square root of 16x power 4 plus 8x square plus 1 equal to modulus of absolute value of 4x square plus 1. We can neglect this 0x term. 4x square plus 1 will be the answer. Next question, find the square root of x square by y square minus 10x by y plus 27 minus 10y by x plus y square by x square. Writing in the long division method, by division method, x square by y square. They are in proper order, power 2, 1, then power 0, power of y when increases, then increases. So it is in proper order, we can write it in the same way. Minus 10x by y plus 27 minus 10y by x plus y square by x square. Here taking square root of the first term, root of x square by y square equal to x by y. So write x by y here and here. Multiplying these two will get x square by y square right here and subtract, it is eliminated. The remaining two terms are minus 10x by y plus 27. And multiplying this term by 2 will get 2x by y. And dividing the first term by 2x by y minus 10x by y divided by 2x by y. This x by y get cancelled. Minus 2, 10 by 2 equal to minus 5. Adding minus 5 here and here and multiplying by minus 5 these two terms will get minus 10x by y plus 25. Then subtracting, changing its sign, these two get cancelled. The remaining are 27 minus 25 is 2. And now taking the remaining two terms here, minus 10y by x plus y square by x square. Now keep the first term as it is 2x by y. Multiply the second term by 2 minus 10 and dividing first term by first term, 2 divided by 2 into x by y. 2 get cancelled, 1 by x by y, that is equal to y by x. Adding y by x in the quotient and dividing plus x y by x. Now multiplying this y by x to these three terms by y by x will get 2 into x by y into y by x implies 2 and y by x into minus 10 is minus 10 y by x and y by x into y by x plus y square by x square. Now when subtracting, changing its sign, all get cancelled, become 0. The remainder is 0. When we cancel it, when we subtract it minus 2 plus minus, then these all get cancelled, become 0. Therefore the square root of the given polynomial x square by y square minus 10 x by y plus 27 minus 10 y by x plus y square by x square will be equal to absolute value of x by y minus 5 plus y by x. X by y minus 5 plus y by x. Find the values of m and n if the following polynomial is perfect square. The given polynomial is perfect square, we should find the value of m and n. Now writing it in the given polynomial in this way. First find the square root of this x power 4. Root of x power 4 equal to x square. So writing x square here and here. Multiplying these two, x square into x square equal to x power 4. So x power 4 and we subtract, get cancelled. And the remaining two terms are taken, minus 8x cube plus mx square. Now multiply it by 2, 2x square. Then divide the minus 8x cube by 2x square. Minus 8x cube by 2x square, divide it. Here x square and x cube we have x. And 2 and minus 8 minus 4. So minus 4x. So apply minus 4x here and here. And multiply by minus 4x of these two terms, we will get minus 8x cube minus 4 plus 16x square. Now subtract, change its sign. These two get cancelled. Here the coefficient is m minus 16. So m minus 16 into x square. The remaining two terms are plus nx plus 16. Now 2x square, multiply the second term by 2, that is minus 8x, 2x square, then multiplying the second term by 2, minus 8x. Now look at the last term here, that is 16. So the square root of 16 is 4. So add 4 here and here. Square root of 16 is 4. So take the square root of 16 and add 4 here and here, square root value, and then multiply the 4 by all the terms. Here 4 into 2, 8x square, and 4 into 8 minus 32x, and 4 4s are 16. Now the given polynomial is a perfect square, so it is equal to 0. Now equating the coefficients, we will find the value of m and n. If it gets cancelled, the corresponding coefficients are, which implies the given polynomial is a perfect square. Therefore, m minus 16 and minus 8 equal to 0, and n minus 32, n plus 32 equal to 0. Changing its sign, minus, plus, minus, 16 minus 16, 0. Now, m minus 16 minus 8 equal to 0, and m minus 24 equal to 0, m equal to 24. For the second case, n plus 32 equal to 0, which implies n equal to minus 32. Or we can equate the coefficient and simplify. M minus 16 equal to 8. So now the given polynomial is a perfect square. So this m minus 16 minus 8 equal to 0. Then n plus 32 equal to 0. By those two values, we can find the value of m and n. So given polynomial is a perfect square. Given polynomial is a perfect square. Therefore, m equal to 24 and n equal to minus 32. Given 1 by x power 4 minus 6 by x cube plus 13 by x square plus m by x plus n. They are in perfect order, so we can keep the polynomial as it is. Now taking square root of the first term, 1 by x power 4 square root equal to 1 by x square. So apply here 1 by x square into 1 by x square, that is equal to 1 by x power 4. Get cancelled. The remaining two terms are minus 6 by x cube plus 13 by x square, minus 6 by x cube plus 13 by x square. Now multiplying the 1 by x square by 2, multiplying 1 by x square by 2, 2 by x square, and dividing the first term by 2x square, minus 6 by x cube divided by 2 by x square, that is equal to minus 6 by x cube into x square by 2, cancelling these two 3, and x square by x is equal to minus 3 by x. So adding minus 3 by x here and here, and by multiplying, now multiplying by minus 3 by x with these two terms, minus 6 by x cube and minus into minus plus 9 by x square. Now changing its sign, these two get cancelled. Now 13 minus 9 is 4 by x square, and adding the remaining two terms here, plus m by x plus n. And then now multiply the second term by 2, 2 by x square minus 6 by x, and then dividing the first term by first term, 4 by x square divided by 2 by x square, that is equal to 2. 4 by x square divided by 2 by x square equal to 2. Adding 2 here and in the quotient. Then multiplying by 2 all the terms. 4 by x square minus 12 by x, and then plus 4. And the given polynomial is a perfect square. So m should follow minus 12 and n should follow 4. Minus plus minus, the given polynomial is a perfect square. The given polynomial is a perfect square. Therefore m minus 12 equal to 0. So m equal to m plus 12 here, m plus 12 equal to, the given polynomial is a perfect square. So m plus 12 equal to 0. So m equal to minus 12 and n minus 4 equal to 0, which implies n equal to plus 4. So the given polynomial is a perfect square. The m and n values are minus 12 and 4.